There are generally three methods to install the big controller. They are panel mounting, wall mounting, and pipe mounting. The controller's default backplane can be used for wall and pipe mounting. Panel installation requires matching mounting accessories. Panel mounting. Place the controller in the opening hole of the cabinet. Then the back is fixed with the metal support bracket and tighten the screws. Wall mounting. According to the gap distance between the left and right holes on the backloading plate. Put 2 screws in the wall. Install the backplane to the controller. Then hang it on the wall. Pipe mounting. Choose a matching American hose clamps to the backplane. The size of the American hose is determined according to the diameter of the pipe installed by the user. Pass the hose hoop through the holes reserved by the backplane. Wrap it around and fix it to the installed pipe. And tighten the screws. It is very convenient. Whether to use panel mounting or wall-mounted accessories is determined according to the user's installation needs. And the user needs to choose which one to choose before ordering. The American hose clamp used in the pipe installation method is a standard hardware accessory that can be purchased by the customer. The above are the 3 installation methods of the controller.